today we are going to do something with the circle. Okay. Then what will you do? You'll take a bowl and draw a circle. That is okay. Okay. You can take any of these options and draw your circle. So keep your bowl, if you are using a bowl and doing the circle, keep it like this and then draw one half side and then turn your hand a little, switch your hand a little like this and then the other side, okay, like this. Okay. Now what are we going to do? We are going to draw two small circles in this, okay? Directly and two. In the first circle we are drawing two circles, two eyes, and then we are going to put a semicircle in both the eyes like this, another small circle. So when we color, we'll color only the middle portion like this. The black thing will be only this much. The first and third circle will not be colored. I'm just now, you may color later carefully. Okay. Then what we are going to do? We are going to draw one U, and then we are going to draw a bigger U like this. Now we are going to put a line of teeth in this. Another smiley curve. This will be white in color only. Will not color this. This will be for the teeth. Then we are going to put one heart shape or a U directly for the tongue. Number 3, sleeping number 3. What are you going to put? You have to put sleeping number 3 like this. The number 3 fell down and it's crying now. Then we are going to put slant line over here and a slant line over here. Okay. For the eyebrows, we are putting one slant line over here and one slant line over here. And over here we can put blush. Lightly you have to draw two circles over here. I am not doing it dark and I am not going to show you with the marker also, because we will not be doing black outlining for that. You just have to put a circle over here and the same way circle on the other side also. Okay. Lightly. We will color it pink color later. Okay. And also we are going to put one crescent moon. Okay. Like a smiley curve again, you have to make one over here. This will be the shine for the face. Now we are going on to the next circle. We'll see what else we can make with the circle. Okay. There are many things that can be done with the circle. We are just going to do a few with those. Okay. So now we are going to draw another way of eye like this. Sad curves. Draw two sad curves. Okay, just a sad curve. The face actually is not sad. Okay, and then put rays like a sun, and for the eyelashes. Okay, then we are going to put a small curve for the nose. Another small curve for the nose. Now we are going on to the smile. So again a simple smile like this. That's it. Okay. Now what are we going to do? We are going to put U's on this. U. Go on making U's like this. Okay. What are we doing? This becomes a U. Then again we are coming down, we are making another U. Then again we are coming down, we are making another U. Right? Go on making U's like this. U, another U, another U, another U, another U. So all these U's, you know, they are holding their hands and they're best friends, and they're saying we'll not leave hands ever. We'll go together for the picnic in the park, and we'll say merry-go-round. We are moving on to the third circle. Okay, one is a happy face, second one was the sun. Okay, now what are we going to make with the third one? Let's see. So in the third circle, we are going to draw a tiny circle over here. Tiny circle. Okay, this is a daddy circle and this is a baby circle. Okay. Now what are we going to do? We are going to put one line on top of the circle. We are going to give it a cherry-like stem. Make one cherry. Now we are going to put another cherry stem on this side. Curvy one. Now we are going to put another curve on this side. Now what are we going to do? We are going to add one slant curve like this. Okay, side curve, little slant from this side. Then what are we going to do? We are going to add another curve from this side like this. And if you have more space or if you want to add one more color, then you can add one more line from this side. If not, then you can leave it as it is. Here also you can add one more curve if you want, otherwise it's fine. We are going to draw one small ear and one more small ear. Then what are we going to do? We are going to add again outer ear like this and outer ear like this. So it's a small U, inverted U, and a little bigger inverted U. Okay. We are going to add two eyes. One and two circles. Then we are going to add another semicircle and semicircle. Then we are going to add another small circle and semicircle and another small semicircle like we did in the happy face. No, same way, okay. Then the middle portion will be colored, only the middle portion. Okay, nice, cute. Yeah. Then what are we going to do? We are going to draw one oval or circle over here. Whatever you can draw, oval or circle, whatever. And one standing line and then a small letter W over here. So you all can do the outlining now quickly with the black sketch pen. Quickly do your outlining. No doing outlining for the happy face on these blushes and on the this crescent that we have done on this side. Now for the sun also, if you have not done yet, you can do the outlining with orange sketch pen or red sketch pen. Okay, if you have already done, then no problem. If you have not done, you can take orange sketch pen and do the sun outlining. Okay, in the teddy face you can also make one small circle like how we did in the eyes, and then this will be the shine for the nose. Okay, start coloring yellow for the smiley face. And no, we are not doing around the on the blush. We are not doing on the outline. We are just doing around it. So you can draw outline like this around the black sketch pen that we have done. No, we'll be doing outlining first like this, nicely, slowly. Now what are we doing? We are doing yellow for the happy face. We'll be doing an outlining and then we'll be filling in the spaces inside. Okay, like this. So we don't spoil the face and we don't spoil the shine of the face and we don't spoil the blush. Okay, like this. And do it in the same direction, nicely, beautifully, without leaving any white patches. It looks so nice. So here in this we are going to do pink blush over here, okay? So it looks nice and sweet. Then for the tongue also we are going to use pink. Okay, carefully. You can make a tip to your crayon. If the crayon is thick, you can just sharpen it a little bit, and then with a nice tip you have to color this, okay? We're coloring the red part inside the mouth. Around the tongue, this will be red part over here. Okay, so now we are doing yellow for the sun. You'll have to do it in the same direction without leaving any white patches, nicely, beautifully. Okay. Slowly near the outlining and then fill in the spaces. Slowly near the outlining. Once it is done, then we can fill in the spaces. And then we can give it another layer if there are any white patches. And done. Then comes the orange. We are going to do orange for the rays. Then we'll proceed on to the ball. This big portion I'll be doing red. Blue. Where is my blue? Over here. I'm going to do blue over here. I'm going to take green. In this big portion I'm going to do green. So nice deep colors we are going to do in the bigger portions. Okay. Then I'm going to take yellow. I'm going to do yellow over here after red. Now I'm doing orange after red over here. I'm going to take purple and pink last colors, and I'll finish it with those two. So for the pink teddy, we are going to color nose pink, small tiny ears pink, light pink we are doing, okay? And the rest of the things we can do a little darker pink. Not very dark, little dark. Neon pink also you can take if you want. So again in the teddy also we'll first do the outlining so that we don't spoil the eyes. So this is how it looks after finishing. Nice, no? Bye bye. Take care. See you next time.